friends, I'm Richard, Dealing Manager from Phillip CFD. US equity benchmarks, namely Dow Jones Industrial Average, S&P 500, and Nasdaq Composites, received a shot of adrenaline last week. Notably, Nasdaq Composite leaped above the 6,000 psychological hurdle as the market celebrates lowered geopolitical risks, as well as solid delivery of 1Q results. Thus far, as we venture midway through the US earnings seasons, cross-asset prices signaled a sigh of relief as multiple geopolitical risks unfolded and then faded away in the past weeks. For instance, VIX, commonly known as the Market Fear Barometer, which surged to the highest level in early April since Trump's election, had collapsed towards the 10 handle post round 1 of the French elections. Gold also had its biggest weekly fall in recent weeks, as North Korea nuclear jitters and the French election uncertainty temporarily abated. On the economics and policy front, it was noted that global central banks such as the ECB and the BOJs had affirmed their positive economic outlook without any major policy shifts. Nonetheless, investors were kept on their toes on wavering Washington politics and uneven economic releases. In particular, vague statements releases on the US tax and healthcare reform progress, seesawing NAFTA trade negotiations, as well as an underwhelming 1Q US GDP growth collectively acts to keep market enthusiasm in check. In conclusion, the US market ascent should not be taken for granted, especially given that the week ahead is packed with potential catalysts which may disrupt its momentum. For example, the economic calendar is heavily laden with data flow ranging from ISM and consumer spending to inflation and employment readings, amid an earnings season that is running in full swing. At the same time, investors will also have to toggle their attention to the Fed language during the May FOMC meeting, round 2 of the French election, and not forgetting to grapple with the wildcard of any potential geopolitical flare-up. Clients may consider using Phillip CFD and Phillip ETF to capitalize on global trading opportunities in both rising as well as falling markets. This is all for today. Subscribe to Phillip Capital Facebook and YouTube for more videos. Hope to see you soon in our next round of market commentary. Thanks for watching.